All right, I'm going to give a quick little update on the trade this morning that I did on SPX, putting on a put credit spread, why I did it, when I did it, and how I set the parameters. So hopefully this helps everybody a little bit. So I've got ES, which I was tracking the ES futures here in a 15-minute and a 5-minute time frame, with pretty much my standard MACD squeeze stochastic momentum indicators, and also using the 200-day moving average, the 21 in green, and the 8 EMA in blue here as well. So you can get an idea of what I'm looking at before I enter something along those lines. So I'm taking a look at the 15-minute here. Steady squeeze firing low, MACD firing low here, and stochastic momentum doing nothing but just dropping on the day. And if you watch the 21 EMA, it's just heading down. So everything is in a completely bearish mode right now. So there's no sense fighting the trend at this point in time, and no reason to think that this trend's not going to just keep continuing. However, we're starting to get down here at these lows of extremely oversold down here around 10:15 or so. This candle here at 10:30, so 10:15 we're in here. 10:30, a pretty good reversal candle that we got, but that's not necessarily the main trigger, because we're still in a pretty good squeeze firing short. However, we are starting to bottom out here. So I want to look at a little bit more of a macro or a micro picture on it. So now we're looking at the 5-minute and see when could we potentially be looking to put something on, anticipating potentially this swing. There's nothing to the upside here because we're in a downtrend. So putting on, we're way too far away dropping to be placing call spreads in case of a bounce here. So we're only looking at a put reversal if we get one. So we can see MACD fires negative here at 10 o'clock on this big candle, as well as the PSAR reversal signal. And we're, squeeze is also dropping hard. So you're dropping 10, 10:05. We drop in here. We're continuing to drop to 10:15 as well here. 10:20, 10:25. Now 10:30 again, where we get this big reversal candle here. 10:30, we're starting to see right here the green shorter line on the stochastic momentum crossing back up. So now we have the crossover here at an oversold level around 10:30. And so it's starting to get my interest now. 10:35 here, we're seeing that both of these are starting to move up from oversold. We also see MACD reversing here. So the momentum is down, 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 down. And then all of a sudden you get a reversal candle up on this up move here. So this is the exact same time that I will enter the put spread. And I'm looking at a put spread. I like to get around a $1.50 or so. So we looked at the 36.85. And I can't even get it on the chart here. So, look at something like the 36.85 point in here, so around 36.85 for the short and 36.65 for the long. Okay, so we're significantly below the market here, but I get good credit. So I figure even if I'm wrong and we can drop way below where we are. And I'm not worried about it, but I get good credit for that. I'm making that move on this MACD reversal signal here at 10:35. I enter, and the next candle, MACD is continuing to climb up. So you can see MACD climbing up here as it moves. So MACD is starting to climb up on it. You get a reversal bar here on squeeze, but it doesn't last. But the stochastic momentum is just continuing to move up. You can see we pop up, we weaken just a tad, but MACD is still, moving higher. Stochastic momentum is moving higher, and these PSAR reversal signals are also moving down. So now we get, a little bit more of this action here, and finally at 11 o'clock, you get the squeeze reversal, you get MACD back to the 0 line. Everything is still lined up to go, but you also get the PSAR reversal. This could have also been right here. This could have been the spot to enter as well, because this is where you get actually the squeeze changing momentum. You get MACD going positive above the 0 line, and you get the PSAR reversal while you're in a stochastic momentum uptrend. And those are all really good bullish signals. You could have entered here as well, and this would have been the signal to potentially put on a put spread in this as well. You can see MACD continues to increase, squeeze continues to increase until it finally fires now at 1140. However, when I put these credit spreads on, I'm only looking for a 50% winner. So at exactly 1117 right in here, in this candle, is where I actually get close for the winner. A 50% winner happens in here. Had you done it here, you'd still be in really good shape. This is a pretty good signal. You've now got the crossover here of the 8 and the 21. So this was also a place to really get long. If you wanted to day trade a bit, if you wanted to buy futures, this was a really great signal for that. I was a little earlier here only because I saw the MACD reversal and stochastic momentum reversal. So this was, I felt, a safe place to get in. We went up, we came back close to that, which is all good. And then we really got our signal here. Could the signal have happened in here? Potentially on the squeeze. We knew we wouldn't get up into here. So again, a little early, entering at this point in time on this candle, but I think that was a good, it was the right move down in here. So hopefully that helps, gives you an idea of exactly what looking at for this particular trade. All right, thanks. Have a great day.